Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 52. That's a deck of cards of the New England farmhouse renovation. So today, we're on day number 52, so we're not in the house like we planned on doing. We have been working on the stairs, and you got to check these staircase out. Actually, we've got a fan favorite here from the main escape. You all remember John, stop just chewing on the wood. John the Woodchuck Dewart.
That's not my nickname. He gave me that for no reason.
So he's been here doing good things with wood, just kind of bending it, and you can see the whole staircase is just completely set up now. So this is a serpentine staircase as we talked about, and so in order to get up in this very limited space that we did have here, we had to do 2 double winders in order to get around and then get up so that we're going to be before that door. Now the problem we had with this staircase previously was it started just about where John is now, and then did a quick wind, and then it ended up halfway between the door, and then we had that railing, and that just wasn't very convenient when you opened your door from the bedroom and then you had a railing there, so you only had 2 feet to actually walk in. So we've been putting this staircase together, and it's kind of a build as you go since there's no stringers, since every step is completely unique. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've seen some of the shapes of the step as they've been going along, and a lot of it is just like what John's doing here. He's just actually folding in a bullnose from where one step comes in to the other. And that's it. That's what we hope to get through this weekend, is get this all the way winded and then up to the 2nd floor. And then once that is done, well, we're going to do the same cladding. And so we've got shiplap on the walls. We're going to do shiplap on front. And then this is going to get a whitewash, kind of to match the floor. And then these are going to get stained. Now, it's a little bit different type of wood than we have on the floor currently. So we're going to try the same treatment on a couple test boards that are going to be inside the barn. And then from there, we'll determine what it's going to look like. So we don't mind if they all look the same and a little bit different from the floor, and then once we get upstairs it's going to be the same barn board again. So that's it, and day number 52, and that encompasses everything else up to this point. John's been here doing some good work. We got him again tomorrow, and then we're going to have that thing winded all the way, and hopefully next video is going to be us walking up the stairs to the 2nd floor. So thanks for checking it out. Thanks to Leslie for actually recording it this time. And yeah, thanks for John for coming. So we'll see you all on probably day number 53. If not, don't hate on me. I'm trying to get them out as quickly as I can. So leave a like, subscribe. See you then.